Hi, so today we're going to be playing Agar.io, I guess. I tried to do a Slither video, but it didn't work. Actually, no, I have an idea. It's going to be half Agar.io, half Slither, okay? If you like that idea. What? Wait. What? This is an Agar.io? No, this is not Agar.io. So that's how you feed. Okay, it's still normal. But if you split... Okay, that's weird. And how come we have like these circles around us? It's never been like that before. This is really weird. And people, stop splitting for me. Okay. Okay. I can try to do this. It might not work. I don't know. Where are all the Agar bots? Did they like ban Agar? Oh, Agar bot. Yay. Okay, I guess there are some Agar bots. Not much. Bruh. Mar.io. That's hilarious. Okay. Let's try to run away. Oh. Cookie. You're a cookie. He's a cookie. He's a cookie. Dang it. Cactus, you go away. Go away. I said go away. You know why? Because I'm going to eat you. Yay. If I merge, I could go for that guy. Maybe. Yeah. Come on, merge. This looks really weird. Yay. Okay, I merged. Now I could go for this guy, I guess. I could. But, first of all, I don't know, let's go for him. See, that's gonna happen. And then this is gonna happen. See, wait. See, they're going for each other. But now... No! There we go. I fed someone. I feel good about it. Oh! And... Oh my god! Okay, that's good, I guess. Well, I see that there's been a lot of updating in Agar.io. It got worse. It actually did. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Eat, yeah. Okay. Robinho. No. Oh, yay. Let's merge and, I don't know, go for someone. But who? This guy. He's gonna split and I'm gonna split at the same time. Okay, I'm already a decent size. Oh, I'm 8th. Yay. Oh, no. Ooh, Jared. Yay. Oh, that guy's there. Okay. Nay. Oh my god, of course. Of course they team. Guess what? Oh my god! I actually missed. Okay, that was the Agario half. Now here's the Slither half. Dang it. It's the Battle of the Ios, as I should say. Leave in the comments down below, what do you like more, Slither or Agario? Just leave a comment, I'm interested. I don't know. Who should I go for? Just eat these. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay, no. Wrong! Thank you. Now. No, I have to go to the middle. That's where most people are usually. I think it is. Maybe this guy can kill? Yoy! 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 Oh! Really? I'm trying to kill some people. Just some big people. Maybe I could kill this guy. Whoa. Yo! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! No. No. Yay, I killed someone at least. Still, I'm gonna get big. I will. No matter what. So how does he kill me like that? Oh, kill. Oh. Didn't even eat a little bit of him. Not even a bit. Oh. No. Okay. He killed someone. Oh my god. Igor. Yo. Everybody just takes everything that I kill. It's so annoying. Yay. Ow. Bruh. If I just stayed alive for a tiny bit more, I probably would have eaten him. Yeah, There we go. At least I killed some people. Now I go kill. Well, I've already killed a few people. Thank you. Tails. Thank you. And even though that was just a bot, I still ate him. So that's good, I guess. Yeah. Die, you hairy rooster. I don't think I'm big enough to trap anyone yet, though. Yeah. Now I'm probably big enough to trap someone. Maybe not the biggest people. Oh, okay. Now I'm able to eat the biggest people. Dang it. I hate when that happens. When I just eat, somebody eats me by accident. LOL. LOL. Don't you dare take my food. What are you doing in my swamp? What are you doing in my swamp? What are you doing in my swamp? Could I trap him? And of course he eats me. Got it. This isn't going well, is it? Coco, Puffs HD. Anyone else? Maybe? This guy? I don't know. Oh, 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 oh. Dang it. Come on, come on, come on. Of course he turns. Everyone turns nowadays. And where is the head of this guy? It's so long. Keep up. Can I keep up? Salve Falcões, salve Falcões, outro coins for mine. Ratatata. How? Oh, and now he does. Of course. Oh, dang it. Well, guys, I guess that's the end of the video. Oh yeah, leave a comment as I said before. What do you like more, Slither or Agario? Bye!